At the end of the last video, we had our login system working fine with usernames and passwords stored in a database, this database here. There was a problem. The passwords were stored in plain text, like my password ASDF was stored right here. That's really bad practice. You can't store passwords as plain text. So what I have done is I have been to a website and I've taken my ASDF password and encrypted it with an md5 encryption, and this is the equivalent. So that's a one-way function turning this into this. It is not mathematically possible to go backwards from this to this. So I've replaced that in my database. Password is now that md5 encrypted thing. And of course what that means is when I get the username and password from the user, I need to turn the password that they've entered through, I need to put it through the same md5 function to check against what is stored in the database. And that's what I've done right here. Using this, of course, there is an import at the top to make that library available. And everything else is identical. That is that line and the import are the only ones that I've added. And it works just fine. So do that yourselves.